Getting desperate with my rear seatbelt situation today, I decided to remove the back seat and have a look at the mechanisms themselves. As it turns out, you can actually wind on the tensioning spring a couple more turns in the rears of these 124 mechanisms. It's simply a case of getting to the end of the belt and pulling it out of the mechanism, and there's a plastic rod inside the loop at the end of the belt. You just need to slide that out, as you can see here, and then that belt can be removed from the mechanism, and then you just wind it on. Basically, in my case, 2 more turns, and then you feed the belt back in exactly the same orientation it was before. And that's now reinstalled, and I just have to slide the plastic post back in, and that's now put back in. You just want to make sure that that goes all the way inside so you don't end up with a lump on the spool of belt, but once that's in there, it generally sorts itself out. And while it is better, I'm still disappointed with the performance of this belt. I don't know what I'm going to do about this. I think I'm just going to have to replace it. Now that I have retensioned the torsion spring on both sides, this being the worst side is considerably better. I'm unsure if that will pass, because still, if you just do it from there, it doesn't retract. I'm going to have to ask the inspector what he thinks about that, because I don't want to waste my time taking the car there and paying an inspection fee only for it to fail because of something silly like that. But that's a massive improvement already. But whether it's good enough, I don't know. I will need professional advice. Out of interest, this is the other side. That works pretty damn good now. So we'll see what happens now.